U.S. stocks ended mixed on Thursday, with the tech-heavy Nasdaq taking the biggest plunge after China's iPhone curbs pressured shares of Apple and its suppliers. The Dow gained nearly 0.2%, the S&P 500 fell 0.3%, and the Nasdaq shed 0.9%. Shares of Apple lost nearly 3%, falling for a second straight day on the news that China had widened curbs on iPhone use by Chinese government officials. While Will Rhind, CEO of GraniteShares ETFs, calls the move concerning, he also sees it as a potential buying opportunity for investors.
Apple is such a dominant company, has such a fantastic product and an ecosystem that supports that potentially it's an opportunity for investors to look at something like Apple, where shares are down and potentially buy the dip or get into Apple at a lower price.
Apple suppliers Qualcomm and Skyworks Solutions both tumbled more than 7%. Data showing China's imports and exports fell in August also dented sentiment, with shares of U.S.-listed Chinese firms JD.com, Alibaba, and Baidu all dropping. And further pressuring stocks, unemployment claims last week hit their lowest level since February, according to the U.S. Labor Department, another sign of a still tight labor market. That worried some investors that the Federal Reserve could continue its rate hikes. In other company news, McDonald's shares rose 1% after Wells Fargo upgraded the stock to overweight. And automation software firm UiPath rallied 11.5% on an upbeat annual revenue forecast.
How do world leaders view India?
I've long believed that the relationship between the United States and India will be one of the defining relationships of the 21st century.
The bright spot of the global economy.
The growth rate for India, which is 6.8 in 2022. Let's not forget, this is one of the bright spots in the global economy right now, such a high growth rate.
The potential of India is enormous, and you have now a reformer, a radical reformer, who has the ability to transform it.
On the verge of a big transformation.
इस अमृत काल में हमारे संकल्पों की सिद्धि हमें आजादी के 100 वर्ष तक ले जाएगी.
A magnet for investment.
I'm actually incredibly excited about the future of India. I think India has more promise than any large country in the world.
The world is bullish on India. Moneycontrol is bullish on India. Join the campaign. Tweet to us with #MC Bullish on India.